Facebook receives a European Payments Bank license. What does the entry of the world's largest social network mean for the banking sector in Europe? There are already a large number of payment apps and startups, each with their own clever tricks vying for your attention. However, given the sheer scale of Facebook's existing user base, this is an entry that warrants serious attention. This massive user base becomes turbocharged with the upcoming implementation of the European Commission's Payment Services Directive, which requires that the customer data held by banks be made available to third parties using APIs. So if you live in the UK or Europe, very soon you could be living in a world where you check your bank account within your Facebook app. Considering most people spend more time on social media than on their banking apps, why just Facebook? The field is pretty much open for any social network or search engine to leverage off. Okay Google, make a bank transfer. Basically doing stuff without ever visiting your bank's branch, website or app. A big challenge for banks would be to retain customer engagement. Losing customer engagement affects cross-selling of other high-margin products. Interestingly, most fintechs competing with banks are challengers in the customer-facing activities. But these activities are just one half of a bank's operations. The engine room of banks comprise of activities in the treasury and risk functions, which manage the balance sheet holding the bank's depositors. These activities generate steady returns, but are capital intensive and require scale. Unsurprisingly, challenger fintechs are happy for customers to hold saving accounts with banks because they are interested in the low capital, high margin, value added services like payments, financial advisory, or crowdfunding of lending and mortgage products. In contrast, there is a group of fintechs operating in the balance sheet operation space who are looking to actively collaborate with banks to reduce costs and improve efficiencies. Following a more open digital strategy, banks can leverage the European Payments Directive to double down on their core strengths of scale, expertise, and ability to provide a suite of services. By partnering and collaborating with a host of third parties, banks can provide customers with a vast product and services platform. While banks are expected to drive the relationship in such a collaboration, it remains to be seen how long that dynamic can last as bigger players with fatter wallets enter the fray.